Hello and thanks again for tuning in to our videos. Today's install is going to consist of a 6x24 plank. We've installed thousands of square feet of this tile. I mean, it's still popular. I've been installing it for 4 or 5 years now pretty consistently. And we got the whole room laid out from front to back. Now we're doing left to right. So when we do our stagger, we're going to make sure that we know what kind of cuts we're going to get to the other side of the wall areas where the tall flange is, and all the way around the whole neo-angle shower. So I mean, a lot of guys will skip this step, and when they get over there is what they get over there. But I encourage you to take the extra 15 minutes, a half hour, whatever it takes, to ensure a proper layout. That way you know what you're going to get to the other side of the wall. You know if you have any cuts, or how you can reuse the other side of the tile, things like that. So I feel like that's more than worth the time of it's really worth your time, is what I'm trying to say, to do this step. That's it. We're setting it on a laddercrete Stratomat uncoupling membrane using I believe we're using laddercrete Trilite here, thin set. Using a standard 1/2x1/2 square notch trowel. And we really like that size trowel for most installs. And when we install these planks, you really want to comb the thin set going the short way. And what I mean by that, if the tile is 6 inches by 24, you don't want to comb it the 24-inch way. You want to comb it the 6-inch way, because what happens is you only have 6 inches of trowel marks, for the air to escape. So when you press that towel down, collapse the ridges, you're going to get a lot better coverage. And also another thing that I really like to do is back butter the towel. That's a term that we use, but really it's called people use back butter and keying in, kind of the same thing, but basically it's taking the flat side of your trowel and skimming the back of the tile. That way you have adhesive to adhesive, so adhesive's already burnt into the tile and it's burnt into the substrate, so you're going to get a really good bond. And this tile that we're installing here, the way we're installing, is literally going to last for a lifetime. So it's not going to be like a vinyl floor, linoleum, anything like that. This is going to last a person literally a lifetime. At some point they probably will have to regrout it. Either it's going to get dirty over time, or it's going to it's going to wear. But that's like 20 years down the road, if not more. But anyway, it's going to be a lifetime install here. And we also warranty our work too. So if people ever do have a problem, it's warranted. I mean, we don't go 10 years on the warranty, because everything is going to wear over time. But we have a 2-year warranty on most of our installs on the labor. And we see it lasting even 20 years, 40 years without a problem. So I mean, that's where we're at on this one. I hope this video helps everyone out there with these wood-look plank installs. We like to do a lot of time-lapse install. You can really see how we do everything. So I really appreciate everyone tuning in once again, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks a lot.